In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a document in Scanner Pro on iPhone. Renaming your scans is a simple habit that makes organizing, searching, and sharing documents much easier. Let's walk through it together so you can keep everything neat and find what you need in seconds. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. When it launches, you'll land on a screen showing your recent scans or your folders and files. Take a moment to locate the document you want to rename. You'll see each scan represented by a thumbnail and a title beneath it. When you've found the right one, tap the document to open it. With the document open, look to the very top of the screen. You'll see the current title displayed in the header. If you've never renamed it, it might have a default name like Scan, followed by a date or a number. Tap directly on that title. This puts the title into edit mode, brings up the keyboard, and places the cursor so you can change it. Now type the new name you want. Aim for something descriptive and consistent like Invoice 2024-11-03 or Passport Renewal Receipt. Including dates in year-month-day format keeps things sorted nicely. If the keyboard selects the entire name, you can just start typing to replace it. Avoid characters that don't play well with file systems, like slashes, and try to keep names concise but clear so they're easy to read at a glance. When you're happy with the new title, tap Done to apply the change. Depending on your device, Done might appear on the keyboard or at the top of the screen. As soon as you tap it, the new name is saved and you'll see it update on the document screen. The next time you view your file list, that name will appear there too, and it will also be the name used when you share or export the document. If you use CloudSync, the updated name will carry over to your other devices using the same account. If you realize you made a typo or want to tweak the name further, just tap the title again and repeat the edit. And if the Done button isn't visible, look for a checkmark or return key that confirms the change. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and effective. With this small step, your Scanner Pro library becomes far easier to manage and search, saving you time every day.